Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to turn on dark mode on Instagram in iPhone. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So as you can see now, I'm already here inside my Instagram app. Now, what I show you is that I'm on the light mode. So I'm gonna show you now how you can turn it to dark mode. So what you can do first is go to your settings. And then after you go to settings, you'll go to the display and brightness. Then you can see there on the top with the light and the dark. So you just need to press the dark mode. So after you press that, it will be turned to this one. So let us see if the Instagram already changed into dark mode. So now it turned into dark mode. So that's it. That's how to turn on dark mode on Instagram in iPhone. So I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!